What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark with Not Your Father's Capital. I want to talk to you guys about Solana. Okay, Solana has been, in my opinion, the hottest crypto that we closed out 2023 with. And now as we get into 2024, I want to give you guys my take, as always, because there's some stuff I want to get off my chest. I want to talk about a little bit of Solana meme coins and kind of go off script on this one and give you guys my own personal thoughts and kind of get it right there and air it out for you guys, because I'm looking more long term. All right, I've been trading Solana for a couple years now and kind of exactly going to give you guys my perspective and what I'm looking to do moving forward. So make sure you guys all smash that like button and subscribe down below. Welcome to the team. Just eclipsed 4K subs and growing. Testament to you guys. Next up, we're getting 10K and beyond. Feeling really bullish about the momentum coming in 2024. So hope you guys are all along for the ride, and let's get down into it, guys. And as always, these are only my thoughts involving my holdings, my wallets, my finances, and so please do your own research and due diligence with all things crypto and financial. But this is what I got going on. All right, I wanted to air some things out with Solana because we have a lot of steam coming. All right, there's a lot of steam coming in crypto. 2024, we have the Bitcoin halving, right? We have what we have with the new presidential election, and the spot ETF, the craze within ETFs have been nuts. Okay, but Solana's kind of carving its own way, and it's been something where, you know, if you've traded Solana in the past, you know, I made a killing trying to swing trade Solana based off its volatility, especially in the last bull cycle when it was getting as high as 124 and even as high as that. It just seems like you could go $10 in either direction in just less than 24 hours. So it's a very strong crypto to swing trade. But now I'm starting to transition my thoughts in. Do I want to be investing in Solana for the long term? Okay, and I'm going to take a little minute and get into the yearly chart when we talk about Solana, and I want to show you guys going back into a couple years ago when we look into 1 month candles, and then I'm going to share with you kind of Solana from a more zoomed out perspective. Okay, this is kind of how I feel about it, and we're going to get into that. I'm going to try to bring up the chart for you guys on CoinMarketCap here in a second. But we're going to talk about my thoughts because what I'm looking at is their all-time chart. Now, this is what I want to share. Right now, we're at about a little bit under halfway. Okay, so I would probably say, you know, going back to all-time highs, guys, this is around that $270 range. And beyond 240, I think 250 was the all-time high we got to. And now we talk about this in light of where we are right now at $97. So about 40%, just roughly, just giving you guys an odd off the top number. Okay, it's a top 5 crypto in market cap. All right, let's keep that in perspective. But now, am I really looking at Solana in terms of other layer ones and not thinking that they can get past that all-time high? I truly am. Okay. The network activity that we've seen and what they truly do from a ecosystem standpoint has been straight fascinating. Okay, I'm getting that feeling now that this may be the next Ethereum. This may be the next crypto that takes over kind of what we're doing from a ecosystem standpoint. Solana will be the next, you know, decentralized exchange that everybody knows, everybody uses, and everybody trusts. The network outages has been, you know, their fudding point of the past, but it hasn't been really relative anymore. I think Solana's been doing a very strong job, and I think we're starting to see that because of how the ecosystem is picking up. Traders within the activity, within the crazy amount of projects that are being developed on Solana's ecosystem is where the proof is. Whether they are rug pulls, whether they are scams, whether they are fads, whether they 100x, doesn't matter. People are taking notice, and I think we're going to start seeing a seismic shift within, you know, what we've seen with Ethereum into now what we're getting with Solana. Okay, that's just where my head's at. And it kind of just hit me like a light switch, like a light bulb went off, and I think Solana is making that next move. And, you know, a lot of times with crypto, I can tell, like, okay, if I talk about a certain crypto, and I have a lot of views within said crypto. Okay, that's how I can start telling where the social sentiment is. And that's where I'm shifting right now. I still believe in a lot of other cryptos, but right now, guys, there's 3 that are firmly on my radar that are going to be making the next push for the next bull cycle. And they're big cryptos. They are big cryptos. They're macros. This is where we look into really starting to diversify and get your wallet where it needs to be and geared up for the next bull run, guys, because I truly think it's going to be special. And it's really just hit me. We've seen the Jupiter exchange kind of have, a little bit of a run up as well within that bridging activity. And those numbers speak for themselves in volume. Okay. 335%, I think roughly we've seen within the increase in bridging activity just recently. And it's kind of going underspoken. I think everybody wants to know about Bitcoin right now. And I think we're in the crypto communities where we're in here trading crypto every single day. Solana has been that one that I think is going under the radar, along with a couple others such as Cardano, and so on and so forth. I have a list of about 5 to 6 cryptos that really are just starting to gain my attention for the next bull cycle. But Solana, guys, I think that's the strong one. I think that is going to be the next big push we get here in the crypto space. So let me know your thoughts down below. If you've been involved with any Solana meme coins, if you've had any issues. I know a lot of people got mixed reviews within Myra. They made a lot of money and then it dumped, and now today even it's up 80%. So that's been a good one. We've had Bonk do well as now we're seeing Jupiter Exchange, a lot of potential within that one. The dog WIF, it's crazy. It's crazy world we're trading in. But with Solana and what they bring to the table within, scalability and speed and low transaction costs, this could be it. This could be the next future. I think we're coming from a strong spot. I think it's a testament to how strong 2023 was in comparison to their Bitcoin dominance, as well as how they fared against other cryptos in a bear market. All right. But that's what I got. I'm thinking about, obviously, swing trading Solana is one of the things that I've used a lot in the past. Thinking about enhancing that and possibly getting a long position. All right, but that's why it's important to do your own research, due diligence when we talk crypto here on the channel. Everybody's financial situation is different. Just want to share with you guys my journey along the way. So I hope you guys found some value from this video. Make sure you guys all subscribe down below. Smash that like button as well, and we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.